All right, here is our improvised experiment. So we have this metal tray acting as a ramp. We have this little rock, excuse me, this little rock which we will slide down the tray. Now first, I'm gonna put it at the top of the tray and let it go. So when I let go of the rock, what do you think is gonna happen? Will the rock stay in place? Will the rock slide down? Will the rock slide to the side one way or the other? Or will it slide straight down? And will it slide fast or will it slide slow? Let's see. So the rock slid straight down the ramp at a pretty good speed. It wasn't too fast, but it was pretty fast. Now what we're gonna do is cover this with a towel. Now the towel adds more friction. It's rougher. It's a rougher surface than the metal tray, so there's more friction there. So what do you think happens now when I put the rock on top of the tray? Do you think it slides the same way? Do you think it stays in place? Or do you think it goes one way or the other? Let's see. It doesn't move at all. If I push it, eventually it starts to roll because the weight creates an unbalanced force and makes the rock want to roll down the slope. But by itself, it won't slide. Or it will slide and then come to a stop because friction is working against the direction of the rock. Now, this is where it gets fun. What happens if I take a little bit of cooking oil and I pour it onto a rag here and I add cooking oil to the situation? Now we've got a lubricant on our ramp. So now that our ramp is lubricated, what do you think the outcome will be? Do you think it will slide faster, slower, stay the same, or not at all? Let's try. Oh, not at all. That goes against everything we've learned. Here, let's try some more oil. See, now we're sliding much better. So you can see the different reactions based off of the different types of movement and the different amounts of friction that we have on our ramp. Now, if I take this ramp and I make it steeper, what do you think is going to happen now? Will it go faster or will it stay the same speed? It goes faster. So the steeper the ramp becomes, the more the force of gravity is working to pull the rock down. If we flatten it out and we go less steep, the rock barely moves. When we raise it, the rock moves faster.